going to med school at Rockford in the RMed program at UIC.
I'll be going to St. Louis University to get my PhD in chemistry.
I'm going to SIU Law School.
I'll be studying biomedical engineering at Washington University in St. Louis.
I'm headed to El Paso, Texas to be the multimedia content creation coordinator for El Paso Locomotive FC. That's so much to say.
Yeah.
I'll be interning with the Illinois Democratic Senate.
Hey there, I'm going to be starting a job with Exact Sciences as a technical processing manager for the lab. I'm going to be working with businessmen and explaining things about science to them and helping them work harder and better.
All right, so I'm going to be attending the University of Illinois College of Medicine, Rockford, RMed program to pursue my MD.
Davenport Fire Department.
I'm going to Belmont University to study clinical mental health counseling.
I'm going into the Peace Corps.
I'm going to med school.
I'm going to Jacobs School of Music at Indiana University for a Master's in Trumpet Performance.
I'm going to St. Ambrose for their Master's in Physician Assistant Studies program.
I'll be a high school math teacher and coach.
I'm Kyle, and I'm going on to Medical College of Wisconsin's Neuroscience doctoral program.
I'm Hannah McVeigh.
I'm Kirsten Minke.
And we're working at Anytime Fitness.
I'm Jeremiah. I'm going to cosmetology school.
Knox County Health Department as an environmental services coordinator. I'm going to Adler University and I will get a dual master's degree in clinical mental health and counseling and forensic mental health and leadership.
I'm Jordan Ball and I'll be teaching social studies at Monmouth Roseville this fall.